Good afternoon and welcome to another video. Today we've come to Jump Inc. in Beverley, which is a huge 20,000 foot soft play inflatable sort of indoor play area. And we've not been to it before. We have been when it was Inflator Nation before, but it's now changed brands and it's all different inside, so it's now called Jump Inc. We're about to go inside to Jump Inc. We did get a half price family ticket instead of the usual price of about 51, I think it was. We paid 25. That was from Planet Offers, planetoffers.co.uk or planetoffers.com, I'm not sure. I'll put here the link. I'll put the website where it is. And like I said, we've not been before. This is in the shopping centre called Flemingate in Beverley. It's quite a new sort of modern shopping centre. It's only small, there's only a handful of shops, but there's ample parking. You do have to pay for parking, but it's £2 for up to 3 hours, which is enough if you're going to Jump Inc. So we will head inside and we will see what it's all about. Don't forget guys, please do hit that subscribe button and like the video if you enjoyed the video, and you'll see us on the next one. You did it! Hello! Wait. That's a deep pull. You're getting on, see if you can stand on it. Hey! Right, you go.
I need to pull my shorts down.
And there you go.
That's sliding!
Big jump! Big jump, Maisie, on your back. Oh. Right. Yeah! Whoop, whoop.
That's cheating. No hands. No hands. No hands. Wait a minute.
Go.
I just saw it. He'll be in the hole with him.
Maisie, what's your thoughts on it? What's your thoughts on jumping?
Fun. There's a lot to do. It's really good. Tiring though.
Tiring. You only did it for 1 hour. Do you think you'd manage for 2? No.
But it was good.
Enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Well worth it?
Yeah.
What about you, Zach? What was your thoughts on it? This is your interview.
Yeah, it was good. I can't rate against gravity and flip out because I haven't been in a while. Last gravity I went to was in Leeds.
Flip out you went to a few times, well a couple of times, didn't
Twice.
you? Before? Yeah.
This is different though because it's got that assault class.
Well, it was good. I liked it.
The assault class
Did you
makes
like
it
it?
different. I'm knackered.
Yeah?
I'm absolutely
It's tiring, isn't it?
For us.
It's good though. Okay, we've just come out of Jump Inc in Beverley and that was brilliant. That was really good. We came when it was Inflatation a couple of years ago. And it's a lot better now since it's changed to Jump Inc. It did change about 2 years ago, I think, here in Beverley. There's just loads more to do than there was for Inflatation, so it's really good. As you saw in the video, there's loads of things to do. It's like really high tempo, sort of really cool modern stuff. It's all comfortable, it's all like really nice to use, all easy to use. And we did get a half price ticket, so I'll put a link in the description box as to where you can get a half price family ticket. We paid £25 instead of 51, I think it was. for a family ticket, and that's from Planet Offers online. So if you enjoyed the video, please do hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment down below. And until next time, we will see you on the next one. Bye bye.